Thank you, Sir Albert, for those inspiring words. Indeed, the journey has just begun, and we are grateful that our learners has prepared to face it with confidence. To express the heart of our class and offer a message of appreciation to our teachers and parents, let us welcome one of our promising graduates with a big smile and a grateful heart. Here is Kate Cheradel C. Sumanduran with high honors for her words of gratitude. Let's give her a big hand.
Wislit.
To our eloquent guest speaker, Mr. Alberto M. Fertalio, the principal one of Woodland Elementary School, a respected and very approachable school caretaker, Mrs. Maria Brichela C. Mercegas, beloved teachers, proud parents and guardians, visitor to my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a brave and happy morning to everyone. Today, we are not just wearing our togas or moving our tassel from one side to the other. We are standing tall because we did it. We finished elementary. Sa mga katigulangan pa, kung nakahuman ka og elementarya, halfway na ka sa kinabuhi. Pero ako nang gihuna-huna. Ha? Katungang pa di ay? Sudakan pa di ay kaayo. As A.A. Milne said, "You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." And we've proven that throughout these 6 years. To our dear teacher, thank you for being our second parents. You didn't just teach us how to solve for X or how to use correct grammar. You taught us how to be good people. When we were confused, you were patient. When we felt like giving up, you believe in us. Especially to our class advisor, Sir Roosevelt Lozano, thank you for your endless patience, for pushing us to do our best, and for being there for us not just a teacher, but as a friend and mentor. As Dr. Seuss reminded us, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. We promise to carry the values of maka-Diyos, maka-tao, maka-kalikasan, at maka-bansa wherever we go. We will keep working hard to make you proud. To our beloved parents and guardians, look at us today. This diploma is as much yours as it is ours. Thank you sa paghimo namo og balon para paniudto o pag-provide para sa among snack kada adlaw. The late night help with project and for working so hard just to give us a bright future. To my Mama Lale, Papa Tony, my little sister Angel, and to all parents and guardians here, thank you for being our strength, for cheering us at every step, and for filling our lives with love and support. Akong dakong pasalamat usab sa akong lula ug lulo sa ilang pagsakripisyo sukad sa akong pagkabata. Lolo Efren ug Lola Flor, we salute you. Thank you very much.
Pagilak lang.
Eleanor Roosevelt said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, and you've also believed in ours." Ingon pasab, haron sakripisyo ug ma-flex. We know all your hard work will pay off as we chase our goals. We love you all so much. To my fellow graduates, please stand up and face your parent or guardian. Let us give them a resounding
takutan. Kalau kay na. Mura ko kalau.
You may now take your seat. To my fellow graduates, 6 years ago, we entered the school with small bags and big eyes, wondering what grade school would be like. We shared laughter, played under the sun, and survived every long exam together. We've also had our share of funny moments, like someone of us thought history was about people who are in the stories. As Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And we've already taken the first big step. Now, we are stepping into high school. A bit scary, right? But remember what we have learned here. Be brave. Don't be afraid to fail. Because that is how we learn to stand up again. As Nelson Mandela taught us, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Let us chase our dreams with kind hearts and strong minds. As we leave our beloved alma mater, the Kabutuman Elementary School, let us not say goodbye, but see you soon. We may go to different schools, but we always belong to this family. Basta ingon sila, ang higala nga aton na ilhan sa eskwelahan, mao ang higala nga hangtod sa katapusan. And Dr. Seuss put it, you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Congratulations, class of 2025-2026. Be brave, be kind, and let's make our dreams come true. Ingon man lagi, kung adunay kusog nga kasing-kasing, bisan unsa nga damgo makabot. Basta dili lang ka magpahulay sa kalipay. As Albert Spitzer said, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Thank you and mabuhay! Mabuhay ang class 2025-2026! Mabuhay ang Kabutuman Elementary School! Once again, this is Kate Cherbel Cabanas Sumantulan.
Hindi ba ito?
Thank you so much, Kay.